Okay, so many AirPod users are not aware that AirPods can be paired with Android devices as well as Windows laptops. So in this video, let me show you step by step how to pair your AirPods with non-Apple devices. So I have the AirPods 4 here, but you can follow exact same steps for other AirPods as well. Now the first step is to put your AirPods in the pairing mode, and for that you will open the lid of the AirPod while keeping both the earbuds inside of the casing. And immediately after opening the lid, you need to put your AirPods in the pairing mode. So I just opened it. I will double tap over here and you can see a flashing white light. Now you can move on to your Android phone. Now while your AirPod is in the pairing mode, go to the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone and hit scan. And then the AirPod should show up in a couple of moments. Okay, so if you can see, the AirPod is showing up. You hit pair and the AirPod is paired with your Android phone. Now, if you want to pair the AirPod with your Windows laptop, then search and click on Add or Remove Devices. And then in this screen, click on Add Device. And you can select Bluetooth. And put your AirPods in the pairing mode. And then the AirPod should show up. The name can be slightly different on the Windows laptop. And look, the AirPod is now connected to the Windows laptop as well. So you can follow these simple steps to use AirPods across your Apple as well as non-Apple devices. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.